Is your Windows 11 on-screen keyboard appearing when you do not want it? Or are you struggling to find it when you do need it? Now I am going to show you all methods to enable or disable on-screen keyboard on Windows 11 computer. First method, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left menu pane, click on Accessibility. Scroll down. Here you will find keyboard. Click on keyboard and you will find here on-screen keyboard. And now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. And on-screen keyboard is opened. Close the keyboard and look, it's turned off. In this way, you can turn on or off on-screen keyboard. Close settings. Now I'm going to show you the second method. On keyboard, press Ctrl, Windows key and O, and on-screen keyboard will be opened and enabled. Again, press Ctrl, Windows key and O, and on-screen keyboard is disappeared and also disabled. Now I am going to show you the third method. Right click on Start menu, click on Run. On Run, type osk and click on OK. On-screen keyboard is appeared and enabled, and close it. That's it. This is the easiest methods to enable or disable on-screen keyboard on Windows 11 computer.